You ever strip your bolt? I mean really strip your bolt. Just the worst, especially on your DNM forks. Join me as I extract the stripped bolts on my SurRon Ludicrous. Let's do this.
Try again.
Any kind of front end failure at high speed just sucks. The stock bolts that came with the forks can't take constant adjustment, and so they round out and strip way too soon. So I procured bolts that are 3/16 stainless steel and 12/9 alloy steel. 3/16 stainless are great if you want to keep that stock look. The 12/9 alloy is a higher strength, higher tensile rating, and the blacked out DNM forks look pretty trick.